Hey everyone, I wanted to make sure that we all kind of stay on the same pace and can solve or talk about functions in an equation. So this is from your notes, examples 6 and 7, day 2. So I know we all may not be there, so I'm making this video so that we can all be on the same page. So Frank sells memberships to a local gym. The equation E of n equals 50n plus 150 represents his weekly earnings E, so E is his weekly earnings in dollars, when he sells n amount of memberships. Find the value of n when E of n is 900. Explain your answer means. What your answer means. Okay, so basically what's happening is we have this equation, and it's telling us how much money he earns based off of the number of his memberships. So n amount of memberships, and we've got E, how much money he gets in dollars here. So here's what's going on. This right here is very simply saying E of n equals 900. So if E of n is here and E of n is here, and E of n equals $900, you simply substitute 900 for E of n. So you want to know how many tickets did he sell to get $900. So we say 900 equals 50n plus 150. And then it becomes a simple matter of solving an algebraic expression. So we subtract 150. Okay. From there, 900 minus 150 is 750 equals 50n. Now you have to divide by 50. And what you get is, what is 750 divided by 150? Let's see. Throw it in the calculator. 15. So even as you can see, I'm using my calculator over here on this side, and you get it. Okay? Alright, so whenever it has E of n equals 900, we do not have our y value, or our x value, sorry. So you just substitute. So coming down to example 7 is kind of the same thing. You're seeing, oh, I don't have my x value. I'm solving for x when I don't have it. So use the following functions. F of x equals 20x minus 4, g of x equals 3x squared minus 2, and h of x equals 2x over 5 to find these three. So look what's happening. Find, or find x when f of x is negative 44. So you come up here to f of x. Oh, and it's f of x equals negative 44. So f of x, I'm leaving this quick piece out here. F of x equals 20x minus 4, right? So what we get is negative 44, since f of x, right, replace it, equals 20x minus 4, and now we start solving for x. So plus 4, we have to do it to both sides, negative 40 equals 20x, and this is 20 times x, so now we divide, and 40 divided by 20 is 2, but since it's negative, negative divided by positive is negative, so negative 2. It's that simple. So basically when you aren't given x, we're not evaluating anymore, we are trying to find x. So looking at, let's go with purple. Find x when g of x is 361. So here's g of x. Okay. Oh, g of x is 361. There's g of x. So we can simply say, okay, 361 equals, now it also equals 3x squared minus 2. So now start solving for your equation. So we do plus 2 plus 2. 363 equals 3x squared. And then we can divide by 3 because we want to leave this guy last. So 363 divided by 3 would be 121 equals x squared. Let's see if I can move this up just a little bit. And the way we get rid of a square is we take the square root of both sides, so you get x equals 11. Very simple. And then finally, let's change to green. Let's see, is that too bright? Yeah, let's change the line. Find x when h of x is 4. So we find h of x, here it is. Okay, so h of x is 4. There's h of x, so say 4 equals 2x over 5. So here's what we got to do first. What I like to do is just multiply by this denominator, so they go away. But if I multiply by 5 over here, multiply by 5 over here, so I get 20 equals 2x. And then I divide by 2, and x equals 10. So you can always check your work too. You can plug 10 in to your equation or to your function and see what happens. So if I put 10 in here, 2 times 10, right, over 5 is 20 over 5, which is 4. And sure enough, when x is 10, you get 4. And you could have done that with these over here as well. So yeah, these will help you for the rest of your homework. I think you'll be in good shape. And that's it. Please come see me if you have any questions. Thank you.